Hey, welcome back. Tonight in the future of everything, we're diving into the latest discovery from the James Webb Space Telescope. And this newest find could be evidence of life on a planet not too far away from our own. Meet K2-18b. It's not too far, 124 light years away. Now, this, compared to our planet, is huge, over twice the size, 8 times the mass. Now, if we ever unlock the speed of light travel, we could get there in about 124 years. And here's why they think that life could be there. Webb's super powerful infrared vision has given us a glimpse of the planet's chemical makeup. Scientists already thought it might have had water because of its location in the Goldilocks zone, orbiting around the star that's not too hot, not too cold. Plus, the discovery of some methane, some CO2 a few years ago meant that there was a chance that this might be a watery world. But here's what scientists are very excited about now. 2 molecules have been detected in the planet's atmosphere that are very similar to marine life, like algae here on Earth. And more measurements obviously are needed, but astronomers are hoping these right here, these are the fingerprints of life. And joining us now is our favorite astrophysicist, Michio Kaku, professor of physics at the City University of New York. Thanks so much for being with us, Dr. Kaku. Kaku, can you tell us what you think we're going to find here now that we're starting to look a little bit closer?
Well, this is big news. For the first time in history, we have tangible evidence that some of the ingredients of life, specifically dimethyl sulfide, have been found in a star system 124 light years from the planet Earth. This is big news. This is a game changer. Now, this does not mean that we have found life in outer space. No, but we have found some of the chemicals that make life possible. So the next step is when we find things like DNA in the atmosphere of a planet. That would clinch it. Now, we're not there yet, but this is a milestone. For the first time in history, we have concrete chemical evidence of the possibility of life in outer space.
Now, how far away are we from getting that conclusive evidence? I mean, DNA, obviously, detecting something like that would be fantastic, but like, how far away from that capability are we?
Quite a ways yet. You see, there are 5,500 exoplanets that we have to analyze, each one by one, to find out which ones have atmospheres which contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. And now we're talking about complex organic chemicals, and eventually, perhaps even DNA. So we're not there yet, but we're getting close. And that's why some scientists have stated that within a few years, we may find the markers which indicate that there's life in space.
So within a few years, we could see the markers, and I hate to put you on the spot, but I love getting your take on the future, because you are my favorite futurist. How long do you think it'll be before we could possibly travel to that planet?
Oh, that'll take a while. We're talking about light speed. We can barely go breaking the sound barrier, let alone the light barrier. So that's for Star Trek fans. Sorry about that. So unless we meet flying saucer people, we're stuck on the planet Earth for a while. Unfortunate.
Unless we're already on this planet that we're looking at, but that's a whole different show that we'll talk about some other time. Dr. Kaku, thank you so very much for being with us. Always great to see you.
My pleasure. Mm-hmm.